Today, we'll learn about 8 basic strokes of brush pen calligraphy using these little artist agile brush pens. So the way you hold your pen has a lot to do with calligraphy. We won't be using it this way like the complete straight, but in fact, I'll hold my pen a bit slant to my paper angle. If you see, it is somewhere at 45 to 50 degrees. Let us proceed with the first stroke, which is the entrance stroke, a thin up stroke with a slight curve. So you go from down to up with a slight curve, down to up with a slight curve. Go slowly, keep your hands stable. The entrance stroke is often referred as an entry stroke because this stroke is used as an entry for a lot of lowercase alphabets. Now let us proceed with the next stroke, which is called thick stroke. A thick stroke is basically a straight line coming from up to down. You give your full pressure and come down. For thick stroke down, focus on maintaining same amount of pressure while you come down. The next one is undertone. A thick stroke down transition into a hairline stroke. This stroke is used in alphabets like A, I, U, W, D and T. For you to remember, you can refer undertone as an alphabet U. So for an undertone, this portion will be thick when you come down and this will be thin when you go up.
Enjoying the video? If yes, then download the YC app because we have a lot in store for you. You can find the link to download the app in the description and comment section below.
A overturn is basically opposite of an undertone. So while you go up, you go thin, and while you come down, you go thick. Thin up and thick down. Thin up and thick down. So you start with a hairline stroke transitioning into a thick stroke down. This overturn is used in alphabets like M and N. Let us proceed to the next stroke called compound curve. A compound curve is combination of overturn and undertone. So we begin from overturn first. Combination of overturn and an undertone. So basically, a compound curve is equal to overturn and undertone. The next is oval. Thin to thick and back again. Make sure you connect your thin strokes properly. An oval is used in alphabets like A, D, G, O and Q. The next is an ascending stem loop. Make sure you go slow. Ascending stem loop is used in alphabets like B, F, H and K. The next is descending stem loop, which is basically thick stroke down and a stem loop. Now we are done with these basic 8 strokes. Let me show you how can you use these strokes to form the alphabets. Here's an example how I make A. An A is made of an entrance stroke, oval and half undertone. So basically A is combination of 3 strokes. this way we can create all other 25 alphabets as well. Now let me show you a word that is written in brush pen calligraphy. I'll write word calligraphy itself. Using these basic strokes, one can form various words and lettering pieces as well. I hope you liked this video. Please do comment, like and subscribe the page. Thank you so much.